Do you want to make some cash online just using some boring website that you can do even when you're on your bed, or when you're just having some free time or from anywhere in the world? And these tasks and these websites pay you just to do simple tasks that don't need a lot of skills. So in this video I'm going to talk about 12 websites that are going to pay you just for your skills, and they're actually a bit you can do it at your leisure time, even at your bed or at your room. It's kind of very simple and very easy. So welcome back to Cashflow Mindset, and this is my channel, guys. And for those who have not subscribed, please subscribe, and there are also a lot of videos where you can watch too. So straight away you can go to our first website. Our first website is called Prolific. Prolific pays you to do some simple surveys. You can do some small tasks. Yeah, they are kindly for doing research, so you can get paid. The most simple is just to go register and start to participate in these tasks, and then you can earn, and they pay very well. I can highly recommend you to join Prolific. And for those who are very new to Prolific, I'm going to make a full video on a full tutorial on Prolific, and mostly it takes people from the tier 1 countries. So if you're from other countries, you might need to use a proxy. So this is a very good site. I recommend you to join this one. The second website is called StudyPool. StudyPool pays you to answer simple questions. And the easiest thing that you can do is just register and become a tutor in this, and you can become a tutor in all these subjects, any subjects, even the writings. Very simple, and you answer questions. So here it comes a situation where students are very desperate. They want to be answered some questions or to understand some concepts which they were taught in school but they did not catch up. So they pay you just to get that concept which they learned in school. And also, if they have an assignment or a question which is due time, and they come here and post the questions. So the simple thing is just to answer those questions and you get that cash. It's just very simple. Just go into your laptop, type the answers, and then you are done. And also here you can sell some documents. Very simple and very easy. So the next website is called Allosika. I don't know whether I got that pronunciation very well, but it's another website which pays you. You just sign up and come here to careers, and then you choose your region. You can choose a region here, and then you sign up. After a simple tests, then you get into this company where you are going to do some calls, answering some calls, or also reviewing. It's kind of reviewing calls, but you get paid doing some simple tasks. And then this one is usually used to AI. It goes in hand with AI. So the simple thing that you can do is just come here, go to careers, go to this link that is Allosika. Sorry, go to careers and then choose a region here, and then you get a task here to do, which is very simple, very easy. So you get some tasks here. After applying, you will just get some tasks, and then you can go on your way. Another website which is very special also, it's called Just Answer. Imagine that your friends usually ask you some questions to understand something, and in this case those simple questions which people ask in order to understand something, you can get paid just by answering. So any questions about anything, either vets, electrician. You can get people asking you about computers. So yeah, in short, you just computer tech, you just answer question related to computer tech and 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 also tasks, tax accounting, all those. You just answer and get paid. So this website is very simple, but you need to apply and pass a test. So once you come to this website, you just click apply, and then you must choose a specific place where you are very, you know, that when I'm asking a question about this part, I'll be able to answer it. Once you pass those tests and everything, you'll get to those simple tasks. This kind of might be replaced by AI, because mostly nowadays, if you have an issue, you just go to ChatGPT and get answers. But in this case, I think there are some complex questions which pay around $15 per task. Once you do that, you get paid. So you can also join this one. It's very easy, very simple, and you get paid weekly. Okay, another website which is going to pay you is Trimata. Trimata is a very it has been our website for a while. Initially it was called Try My UI. This one is very much used by programmers. Once they've programmed a website, they need reviews from people, real reviews. So like if you have ever entered into a website and you said that this website is very cool, it has some 3D, or it is very nice, so you can get paid by just doing that. So it's kind of website testing. So you just come to this website, you come and click here, get paid to test, and then once you click here, you register, and then you start reviewing website. It's very easy, very simple, and anybody can do it. It does not require a degree, any qualification, just being simple. And you can see here it pays $5 to $30 per test. So once you test all those websites, you get paid, and it's very simple, and mostly the payment is through PayPal. So very easy, very simple, you can do it. Another website, the next website is for those who like writing, that is Text Broker. It has been here for a while, and I know most of you know it. So Text Broker actually pays you to do writing content, that's academic writing. Very simple and very easy. So you first register to this website, do a test, a series of tests, you get qualified, maybe a rating, you get a rating, and then you'll be given tasks according to your rating. So the payment is also here. Actually, this one is very legit. I know most of you have heard about it, but if you have not heard about it, it has been here for a while. So you can register here as an author, pass the test, and then you start getting those tasks, and then you get paid. So my next website is called fancyhands.com. This one is a virtual assistant. It's not there in many countries, but so it needs you to have a proxy in order to get into this. For those who are not in USA, but for those who are in USA, you can get these fancy hands. So these fancy hands, I'm just going to give a short explanation, is where that you get that you see all these rich people, they have a lot of tasks, and they need to accomplish all these tasks within some few hours. That's why they need a virtual assistant. The virtual assistant is the one who helps you to do some tasks online, so that you can't you reduce the task that you're going to do. So the person will just you help a person who has a lot of tasks. He gives you a specific task to do. So it just gives you a command: do this, do this, and do this, and then at the end the person pays you. So virtual assistant is a broad topic. I'm going to make another video on virtual assistant jobs, but this one is another good one, a cool one, that you get paid just to do those simple tasks. It's just being like a person who's a boss has a lot of work to do, so he gives you commands to do this and maybe these tasks in order that he may complete all his tasks on time. So apart from that, we have another website here which pays you just to speak, to learn. Okay, you just kind of teach English. So for those who really want to who know English, you can just come to this website. This website is Cambly. You can see many people go with their laptops and with their headsets, just sitting in place talking to people in English. It's kind of teaching English to people. It's very easy and very simple. No much qualification. As long as you can speak English, you're good to go. So you come to Cambly.com and then just click on tutors and you start earning by just teaching people or teaching little kids or talking to people there so that they can continue expanding in their English English language. So it's kind of increasing the vocabulary. You can see here just people chatting English and then you get paid. Very simple and very easy. Yeah, after you have applied, you can work from anywhere 24/7, and you can set your time where you can work. Yeah, very simple and very easy. And another one which it has been around, I know many people are talking about it, is remote tasks. Remote tasks is where you train AI. I know that AI is almost taking over the world, most of the works, but remote tasks you can earn. At least you can earn and get paid. You can just get paid. It's very easy. You just complete this task of training AI. It's training AI and then you get paid, and it's very fast. So once you complete your tasks, you get paid, and many people have done these, and from my experience they have done and they have gotten paid. So it's kind of teaching AI to differentiate things, making AI to learn more so that it can replace us. Okay, and our next website is called LiveOps. LiveOps is another website where you can apply to become an agent. For those who have some free time and you need some extra income, all these things which I'm teaching you, all these websites are not going to make you rich overnight. So it's kind of giving you some little bucks that you can use. So here is where you become an agent and you work for LiveOps and then you get paid. It's kind of very easy, very simple. You just apply. Does not require a lot, not even skills or degrees. No, it's kind of very easy and easy to do. There you can just come into the website and you can apply, and then you can see how you start earning. So it's kind of very easy and simple. And then there's another here website which is going to pay you also to become an agent. This one mostly you need a quiet room, a headset, and then a very cool place, not a noisy place, so that you can be able to communicate easily and understanding people. So it's just connecting with the customers and building some reality. So it's kind of talking with the customers. So you can also apply to this one. As long as you know how to speak English, you don't panic when a person asks you that can I see your supervisor. You don't panic. So if you have mastered those skills, you can handle customers very well. It's the best site for you. So you can just come here and apply to become an agent. And another the last website, that is the 12th, it's called ACX. I know most of you have read books, and this website is paying you just to read books aloud. So imagine you can start reading a book with expression, using a voice, and then you get paid that. Usually it starts from $50 per hour. So you can come here and register, and then you apply, and then you put a sample, and then you get paid. So ACX is actually for audiobooks. So it pays you just to use a voice to read books with expressions and all that, and then you earn your cash. It's kind of very easy and very simple. So these are the 12 sites which I wanted to show you today, and you can get paid just by doing all those simple tasks very easy. So it's not a quick rich get scheme, but consistently you can continue earning some little bucks, extra bucks to push on your life. For more videos like this, please subscribe, like, and share this one for those people who will be interested to join. And see you in my next video.